by publishing on Kindle. Every dummy can earn on Kindle if you know the right thing to do. Just like every dummy eats, every dummy knows how to eat. Even in the dark, every dummy or brilliant fellow knows that you will take the food and you get to the mouth. When it is dark, how is it that you know, even when there is no light, you put off the light? How do you know that you take a cookie, you take a biscuit, or you take a soft drink or any kind of food and it goes to your mouth? Why is it not going? Why don't you put it by mistake? Go and put it in your eye. Because it's an instinct. So if you can put food in your mouth, know that food is supposed to go to your mouth and not your nose and not your eyes, then you can make money on Kindle. And I'm starting a past one-on-one Kindle masterclass. It is not on my YouTube channel yet. So one-on-one Kindle masterclass. I want the first 10 people that will come on board to have moved, and then I'm going to use them as a reference point that see people that have gone ahead and have made it, and that before I start bringing out the videos to everybody. So I'm going to guide you how to set up your Kindle from scratch, how to get content on it. See, you don't have to worry. I am going to tell you all that there's content inside of you, and if you think there's no content inside of you, I'm going to tell you where the content and the content will come out, and together we're going to put your content on your Kindle page, on your Kindle account on Amazon, and people are going to buy it and you are going to get paid. Now, this is what is going to happen. This is a one-on-one masterclass, so it's going to task me a little bit. It's different from this video I'm doing now, which I'm doing once and for all, and it's going on general once I upload it. The masterclass, if you continue, on a daily basis, I am going to give you a task to do. I'm going to teach you what to do. I'm going to guide you, and then from there, what happens is that you are going to do those things. And I'm going to make sure the following day I'm going to check on you if you have done it, and then we'll move on to the next level. If you have not done it, I'm going to ask you to do it before we move on. If you have done it, then we'll move on, and then we'll move on until you achieve. We're going to run this for just 2 weeks, and you will see you have written nothing less than 10 books in those 2 weeks. Then we carry it on to 1 month. You write like 20 books in 1 month, and then what happens is that you are going to start making from the money from those books by the time we get to the 3rd month. I am promising you that. Bet you're going to pay for the one-on-one masterclass because it will task my time, it will task my effort, it will be tasking. So you're going to pay money for the one-on-one. So if you are ready, just call me on my phone number, which I'm going to leave in the description below. But it's 080369988. 080369988. Send me a WhatsApp message and tell me that this is what you're interested in and how much you have to pay. Tell me your budget, then I can consider you, and we are going to discuss, and we're going to start business immediately. Now is the time for you to take action. Now is the time for you to do what you need to do. Now you can make money from just doing coloring book, and I'm going to tell you where you're going to do the coloring book for free, and if you have some change, you're going to do it for paid. The amount you're going to spend to make one coloring book is the amount you're going to sell one coloring book. And you're not going to sell only one, you're going to sell series of coloring books. So what you have nothing to lose. But if you don't have money, I don't have money. What you say is that I'm going to teach you how to also color the coloring book, and then you can start making money online also, even with coloring other people's book for them. I'm going to put you somewhere online. So this is all encompassing. I was teaching some students some things some time ago, and I just introduced them to somewhere how to make money online. Before the class ended, one person made $5. Before the second week, he made $100. If you are serious, you are going to make it. But I'm going to tell you a caveat. You have to be serious, because I'm going to task you. I'm going to really monitor you. I'm going to model you. I'm going to motivate you. But you have to work. When you work and you work and you work, then you are going to reap the benefits of work. Somebody said work is only hard for those who hardly work. The greatest sleep and the deepest rest come to those who work the hardest. Are you working hard or hardly working? Contact me today. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not done so. Like this video, share this video with other people, and what do you do? The link of this video, make it, spread it around your social link. Put it on your Facebook page, put it on your WhatsApp, put it on your Twitter, put it on your Instagram, put it on your Telegram, put it on your status, the link. And then people are going to get to know you. You have to help other people. I have made more than 500 videos about 3 different areas of life. You can check them out, and you are going to be glad you did. I'll be expecting your WhatsApp message if you are interested in